Empty your mind. Be formless, shapeless, like water.
Hello everyone, and I hope you all are doing well. So today I'm going to do the Euro USD chart analysis for today's trade. So let's get started. First of all, we are having a high impact news into the market today at 7:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time, of course. So be cautious at this timing because the price could be really volatile and which is not ideal for the lower time frame trades. So now let's move to the charts. So this is the monthly chart of Euro USD, and what we can see is that we are having this unmitigated BPR into the price. So I'm anticipating that most likely we are going to come down and mitigate this BPR. Apart from that, the price had swept this high, which was significant high for the price, and we are sweeping it right now. Talking about the previous month's candle, so it has closed within the range of this candle. So the market is quite indecisive according to the monthly levels, though we can sweep the previous month's high and move into the downward side. So let's see how the price is playing inside the lower time frames. So let's move to the weeklies. As we move into the weeklies, what we can see is that the price had not left any FVG into the market. And why am I significantly giving value to the FVG? Because it is some kind of a footprint of smart money being into the favor of the particular move. So what I am currently anticipating is that we are going to have some kind of a reaction from this unmitigated wick. So it is mitigated at the lower side, and then most likely we can continue the journey into the downward side. So let's see how the price is playing into the dailies. As we move into the dailies, what we can see is that our observation of the price not having AVG is validated in this daily candles range, because even here the price was reluctant to make any kind of AVG and we moved into the downward side, and even in the bullish side the price was reluctant to make any kind of FVG, and even the FVG which were made was disrespected by the market, and we took the extreme equal highs sitting at this zone, and currently we are failing to get a close above this previous zone. So I'm anticipating that the price will try to save this particular hold level, and we are not going to get a close above this range. So let's move to the 4 hours now. As we move into the 4 hours, we can see that we were having this range, that is the liquidity sitting over here, and you can see this was the equal highs we were having, and the price was having this BPR which I had been marking in the previous even in my previous videos. So those who had considered it might be taking benefit, and they might be already in profit by now. So for now, what we have here is that we are having this candles high being swept by the market. So this is a weak signal, and this candle is not significant because no other candle has closed above it, and it has not given any kind of and it has not broken any kind of strong high. So this is a vulnerable low, and if this is broken, we can anticipate that most likely the price can come down till this level, or the level of this uh, whole level, from where the price can react to, come back, react to into the upside direction. So we are having two levels of entry, that is this level and this level. So let's move to the 2 hours now. As we move into the 2 hours, what we can see that these levels are supported by a FVG. So most likely, I'm anticipating that most likely the price is going to tap this FVG, and we can have a possible reaction into the upside direction. And if the price have to go down, then these FVGs which are made into the market will be respected, and we are going to go all the way down to the extreme POIs. So this is my anticipation. So let's move to the 1 hour. 1 hour supports this move overall, supports our narrative. So let's move to 30 minutes to define our daily bias. As we move into the 30 minutes, we can see the expansion going on in the Asia session. So I'm anticipating that the price can take the New York session, we can have a pullback, and then we are going to go all the way down to take these levels. And then we are going to have a possible reaction, and that can trigger the reaction into the downward side, and this could lead the price to shift uh, from this bullish phase into the bearish phase till this extreme POI most likely being mitigated, and we can see the reaction going on here. So for today's bias, I must say that what I'm anticipating that the price can have an expansion. We can take the New York low, we can sweep some kind of a high over here, and then we can continue our journey, mitigate this level, move higher, mitigate some FVG of the higher time frame, and then we are going to go all the way down to take these liquidities sitting into the market. And if that doesn't happen, then this FVG or this the people who trade out block, this particular order block will be the deciding factor for the price if it is going to move into the upside direction or going to fail this overall structure and move into the downward side. In that case, I'll be anticipating that we are going to have this reaction into the bullish side, and then we are going to break the extreme high. So this could be a possible scenario. So do write me into the comments that what are your analysis regarding Euro USD's move today. So this is pretty much it, and thank you for watching.